guys, good morning. So I was just attempting to film, but like my neighbors were getting their yard cut and it was really loud, so I think they just stopped. I'm looking at the window. Whew. Why am I out of breath? I just ran up the stairs because I was looking for my camera. Anyways, I'm in my daughter's room right now. I am actually cleaning out her closet and just going through her laundry and putting it away. We got her like this new dresser, so I am about to organize it. I just kind of wanted to organize with you guys because I've been trying to add more content into my YouTube channel of like pretty much my everyday life, and sometimes it can be pretty hectic, so it's hard to film. But right now she's napping and I'm about to get organizing. I've already done some of it, but I wanted to show you guys how I am organizing like her clothes and just cleaning out her clothes. Normally, since she is our first child, I am saving all her clothes that don't fit her, so what I've been doing is putting them in bins, and in case the next child is a girl, I pretty much have clothes already, so it's nice to have that, you know. Normally if I wasn't planning on having another child, I probably would donate them or, you know, give them away to like friends and family. So I don't know. So hopefully you guys like these type of videos. I just wanted to take advantage that my little one is napping right now and get some cleaning done, because that's literally what I do. Hence mom life. So this is literally my situation right now. This is all like right there, her laundry. I pulled that all from her closet. It's all her clothes, but some of them might not fit her anymore. So I'm just gonna put it in a bin that's over there. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna close the door real quick. So I already got some of her like pants folded over here. These are all her PJs, onesies, and I did get these containers from the dollar store. So that's pretty much what I'm doing, guys. Like I said, all these drawers are empty and I need to put stuff in it, but there's literally nothing on top. There's my Starbucks, and then we have like this little rolly, it's like a Lazy Susan for all her diaper stuff. And I really like it because it holds a lot of stuff and comes in handy, so really love it. If you kind of want to know, it just has diapers, her wipes, I have a thermometer, like a constipation ease little bulby thingy that we got at the hospital. I just keep it there. Diaper rash cream, which this one's pretty awesome. It's a coconut butter diaper. It's a organic one. Some soothing tablets for her teething, some vapor rub, organic as well, nasal spray, you know you need this because it's been crazy here, some snackies just in case like I need a quick snacky for her, she's like a little hungry but doesn't need a full meal, some boogie wipes, which these are like the large pack, but I've noticed that at Dollar Tree they started selling like smaller packs, so I have a few of those in my diaper bag, but this is just a larger pack that I keep here. And then this is like Burt's Bees multi-purpose ointment. This stuff is amazing. I love it so much. I'm actually almost done and I really need to repurchase. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to put more stuff in here, but for now this is what's in here. I really like it. Pretty much just going to place you there, and I'm just like looking at her clothes. This is her laundry pile that's right in front of me. This is her closet pile. So I'm going to go through laundry first because that's just what takes the longest, and just kind of go through everything, make sure it still fits her. By the way, I got these pack of baby hangers or like children's hangers at Dollar Store. You get a pack of 6 for $1, which is not bad. I don't understand. A lot of these onesies are still dirty. Like I need to do another load of laundry. Oh, and sometimes Target and Walmart has really cute clothes. Like for example, I got this really cute like tank onesie at Walmart and it was only like $2, I think. So super cute for summer because it gets very hot here. So normally her onesies, I like to fold them. Yeah, you see it was $2.88. It actually has a little thing right there, a little sticker, and it's by the brand Garanimals, which they have really cute shoes too. I bought a few of the shoes there. And then here's the other like really cute kind of floral pattern. And then I got this dress at H&M. It's for when she's 2 years old. Right now she's 14 months old, so I figured this would be like a really cute Christmas for this year, 2018, and you know, just thinking ahead. Plus it was on sale and it was a really good deal. like a little faux fur vest. I got it at Gymboree. I've actually shopped at Gymboree once, and it was because they were closing down and having like a massive sale. So I literally got like a huge bag full of clothes for like 30 bucks. It was crazy. One of the purchases too is like these little cactus pants, and they're actually like smaller. They're 3 to 6 months, but they still fit her, like capri pants, and I was like, I don't care, they're super cute. So that's what we still do, and it came with like a matching headband, and she just looks adorable when she wears it. More recent purchases, I got this from Target. It's from the Carter's brand, and I just thought it was so cute for summer. I also got this. It came with like a onesie, a sweater, and like these little like jeggings. Super cute. One for 18 months. That was super cute. I love these type of like kind of like onesie dresses. They're so convenient. And then this was my favorite. This was from Genuine Kids Oshkosh, which I've never actually bought from this brand, but I thought it was so adorable, and I was like, if I find something similar to this, I'm totally gonna match her. I'm that kind of mom. Like, I like matching my daughter. So I just don't understand, like, I'm missing so many pairs of socks and I don't understand where they went. Okay, so I'm pretty much done sorting, so now I'm just gonna put everything in the closet, and then I'll show you guys how I organize the drawers. So okay guys, sorry I couldn't find my tripod, so I went ahead and just folded everything. I put like all of like the tank top onesies and like the dress onesies on this side. This has shirts and like long sleeve onesies, and then these are all like her just regular short sleeve onesies. These two are long sleeve, and so is this one, but these are shorter sleeve. So, and all of her like summer rompers are gonna go back here because she can't wear those yet. So that's gonna be the first drawer. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this one, and I am going to put her pants and probably her pajamas. Okay, so here are her pants. These are her PJ sets. I just put them in like sets because this one has like a shirt and pants. These are all her pants. I just folded them regularly and just had like this side of the fold facing upwards. It just makes it easier to actually find the pants. I actually like folding my shirts like that as well. And then back here I just put like her skirt and her little shorts that she has. So very similar to this side. Pretty much the exact same way with the onesies I did with the pants. So this is looking real good. This top cabinet right here, I just put another tray, and it has like all of her headbands because they can't all fit in that headband holder, which I will link that in my description bar. I got it off of Amazon, and I thought it was super cute to kind of just display my daughter's headbands, but I actually need to go through them and see which ones still fit her because her head has gotten bigger. So same thing with these are just like headbands, and that one's super cute. And I know for a fact like maybe some of these probably won't even fit her anymore. I don't know. I mean, they're stretchy, so I need to double check, but I've been like gravitating more towards bows as of lately because she likes to rip off her headbands now. Okay, so on the right bottom, I went ahead and just added socks, and then her tights. I have like these tights in almost every color. I got them from H&M. They're gonna last a really long time because they're actually pretty long, but then you can just kind of pull them up for them not to be long on her. And yeah, I mean, I don't know what else to put. I was thinking maybe to put like shoes that she's currently using on this side, so I don't have to go in the closet every time. Hopefully this inspires some of you guys to actually, if you have kiddos, some organizing hacks and stuff like that. I'm not perfect at it whatsoever. Hopefully it will last. I'm hoping, fingers crossed. Like this type of videos, please let me know in the comments and also give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll go ahead and give you like a brief overview of everything that I did, and if you would like to see a future room tour, I'm not done with this room, let me know. That'd be really cool. Alright guys, so here's pretty much the final of the video. Like I said, in the first drawer I went ahead and added all her hair accessories. Over here just has some bibs and some extra diapers that don't fit in my little caddy over there. All her pants, shorts, skirts, her pajamas, and then all her onesies and rompers are right over here. Really neatly organized. And then at the bottom I just added all her shoes that she's currently wearing. There's a pair that I know is somewhere in the house that she is wearing as well. But tights and socks. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, guys. That's pretty much it. Yeah, just let me know if you're interested in that. And that's pretty much it for today. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope you enjoy and have a beautiful day. I will see you in my next video.